Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to change the mouse scroll direction on Windows 11. So first you have to click here or press the Windows button and go to the settings. After that, you'll be able to find the Bluetooth and devices here. Then scroll and go to the mouse section. And scroll a little bit, and here you will see this option called scrolling direction. By default it is set to be down motion scrolls down, which means if you scroll to the down, the page will go down too, but if you scroll up, the page will go up. If you want to change it, you select the down motion scrolls up. That means when we press the down on our scroll, it will go up, and the opposite will happen if you go the mouse pointer wheel to the up. So this is a very simple way to do that, and if you want to go back you can just select it. So this is how you change the mouse scroll direction on Windows 11. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.